Hello guys, welcome back. In this programming logical video tutorial, we are gonna learn how we can make how we can check that a string is a palindrome or not. So this is a programming video, so you can check here in algo or logic, because this is JavaScript program and you can perform in any language. So this is behind total about the core logic. So let's get start with that, what we have to perform in this palindrome logic. And what is a palindrome? So palindrome meaning that a string is the same as from the forward or a backward straight, like B or B. So if I pronounce it from the straight, from start to end or end to start, the meaning is the same. So we can say that this is the palindrome. So how we can check that this string is a palindrome or not? So like I have a Bob TOOB. So how we can check that this is the palindrome or not? So we are going to make a program for that. So let's get start. So first of all, we need a for loop from the end to the zero, means a reverse order for loop, and then we need a make a new array from this loop, and then we have to compare the first and last original array and reversed array, and that's it. So let's get start. So first of all, let's say I have a string, let str equal to Bob. Okay, let's take them small, Bob. All right, and now just make a for loop from I equal to str dot length, and it will go I less than I should be greater than 0 and I minus minus. And now let's check that what we achieve here. So for that, console dot warn, and here I can print that stri. So let's check in the console for now. So did we get the reverse array or not? Okay, so we are not get here because it should be from the -1. Alright, so let's check. Oh, that's my bad. It should be equal to or less than 0. Then you can see that we got the reverse string here. So if I'm going to put here hello, then you can see that we got the reverse string. So now take this string in a new array. So I'm going to take a new array like let new str. This is an array, so basically I can use that str plus equal to stri, and this is the new str here, new str. Alright, so just after that I can check here the string what I got in the new string. So let's check. So you can see that we got this, and if I'm going to put here okay, then let's check. Okay, we got the reverse string here. And now the simple and basic thing is that we just have to check if str equal to new str, then just write here something like document dot write, we can check that palindrome, or we can check here else, and do here like not a palindrome. So you can see that. Okay, so just get this script tag the below. Okay, so now you can see that this is a palindrome, and if I'm putting here, okay, then let's check, not a palindrome, because the reverse and current string are not equal. So if I put there BOBA BOB, so it should be a string palindrome, so you can check that this is a palindrome. If just I put here I, then it's not a palindrome. Alright, so this is the very simple logic behind how we can check that the palindrome. This is most usually asked interview question in the JavaScript programming also. So if you have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like us on the Facebook, link is given on the YouTube, sorry, in the description box, and you can find the code here also on the Facebook. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.